How to find friends on Instagram using threads. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to find friends on Instagram using threads. So if you want to learn how it's done, just keep on watching because I will teach you all the necessary steps you need to take in order to do this. So without further ado, let's go. So right now let's head over to threads, and from in there you can just click on this search icon right here and search for a specific friend that you want to locate. So for example, I want to search for John Mayer right here. So as you can see, this person is on threads, so I can just follow them whatever I want. This is because Instagram and threads are connected and they have the same username, so it is easy to locate an Instagram friend that are on threads. So if you don't see them right here and it is painful to try to search for every friend that you have, then what you need to do is just click on this purple icon in the bottom, click on this followers right above here, and then after that click on following, and you will see here this you can see others that you're following Instagram that you're not following in threads yet. So click on the see all, and you will see here all the people that are on threads that you follow on Instagram but you haven't followed it on threads. So just click on follow right here, or just click on follow all on the bottom and confirm. And as you can see, let's refresh it. As you can see right here, it is now refreshed and I am now following them. Also, you can see this pending right here. So these people, you can follow them after they have joined threads. It will automatically let you follow them. But on the bottom right here, you can also click on cancel all and click on confirm once they have followed on threads. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to find friends on Instagram using threads. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.